How to contact Lyft. Now, when things go wrong with your ride-share experience, whether you're a rider or a driver, contacting the company is a good way to figure out potential solutions so you can move forward. And the best way to contact Lyft is through the mobile app, where you can navigate through the help pages or call Lyft directly from the app. So open the Lyft app and log into your account if necessary, and you have to tap on the three lines in the top corner of the screen. Once you do so, scroll down and then tap on the option that says help, as you can see over here, and under the help section, select the appropriate section and tap through the sections according to your issue and follow any prompts. Once you do so, you'll be successfully able to go ahead and then contact Lyft in that way, or else you could also simply go ahead and then tap on the option that says something happened on my ride. When you select something happened on your ride or anything as such, you'll be able to successfully contact Lyft in that way. I'd always recommend you not to go ahead and search for the numbers directly on the web, because nowadays there are perfectly spoofed ads that could actually lead you to a scammy call centers. So you have to be aware and wary of that as well. But hope this video helped you. Always use the official app or the official website in order to contact Lyft support or any of the other support that you're looking forward to. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. And if you've got any more questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you very much for watching till the end, and see you soon in our next video.